Hi, my name is Nur Syafiqah bin Rosli, metric number I18203081. We will present chapter 12, subtopic 12.3, how to business intelligence and business analytics support decision making. What is business intelligence? Business intelligence (BI) is a term used by hardware and software vendor and information technology consultant to describe the infrastructure for warehousing, integrating, reporting and analyzing data that come from the business environment, including big data. Business intelligence and analytics are essential about integrating all the information stream produced by a firm into a single, coherent, enterprise-wide set of data, and then use modeling, statistical analytic tools and data mining tools to make sense out of all this data so managers can make better decisions and plans. The business intelligence environment. Data from the business environment. Business must be deal with both structured and unstructured data from many different sources, including big data. The data need to be integrated and organized so that they can be analyzed and used by human decision maker. Business intelligence infrastructure. The underlying foundation of business intelligence is a powerful database system that captures all the relevant data to operate their business. The data may be stored in transactional databases or combined and integrated into an enterprise data warehouse or series or interrelated data marts. Business analytic toolset. A set of software tools are used to analyze data and produce report, respond to questions posed by managers, and track the progress of the business using key indicator of performance. Managerial user and method. Business intelligence hardware and software are only as intelligent as the human being who use them. Manager impose order on the analysis of data using a variety of managerial methods that define strategic business goal and specify how progress will be measured. Delivery platform. The result of business intelligence and analytics are delivered to managers and employees in a variety of ways, depending on what they need to know to perform their jobs. Today, one suite of hardware and software tools in the form of a business intelligence and analytics package is able to integrate all this information and bring it to managers' desktop or mobile platform. User interface. Business people are no longer tied to their desks and desktops. They often learn quicker from a visual representation of data than from a dry report with columns and rows of information. Today, business analytics software suite features data visualization tools such as rich graph, chart, dashboard, and maps. Example of business intelligence predefined production reports. Business intelligence and analytic capabilities. There are 6 analytic functionalities that BI system deliver to achieve this end. First, production reports. Second, parameterized reports. Third, dashboard or scorecards. Ad hoc query, search or report creation. Drill down. Lastly, forecast scenario or model. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics use statistical analytics, data mining techniques, historical data and assumption about future conditions to predict future trend and behavior patterns. Variables that can be measured to predict future behavior are identified. For example, an insurance company might use variables such as age, gender, and driving record as predictor of driving safety when issuing auto insurance policy. A collection of such predictor is combined into a predictive model for forecasting future probabilities with an acceptable level of reliability. Big data analytics. Predictive analytics are starting to use big data from both private and public sector, including data from social media, customer transaction, and output from sensor and machines. In e-commerce, many online retailers have capability for making personalized online product recommendation to their website visitor to help stimulate purchases and guide their decision about what merchandise to stock. In the public sector, big data analytics have been driving the movement towards smart city, which makes intensive use of digital technology to make better decisions about running city and serving their residents. Public record keeping has produced warehouse full of property transfer, tax record, corporate filings, environmental compliance audit, restaurant inspection, building maintenance report, mass transit appraisal, crime data, health department state, public education record, utility reviews and more. Table 12.5, what big data analytics can do. Operational intelligence and analytics. These are largely operational decisions, and this type of business activity monitoring is called operational intelligence. An example of operational intelligence is the use of data generated by sensor or trains and equipment by SNCF, which operate France rail service, including France high-speed rail network. The Internet of Things is creating huge stream of data from web activities, smartphones, sensor, gauge, and monitoring devices that can be used for operational intelligence about activity inside and outside the organization. Software for operational intelligence and analytics enable organization to analyze this stream of big data as they are generated in real time. Companies can set trigger alerts on event or have them fed into live dashboard to help managers with their decision. Location analytics and geographic information system. BI analytics include location analytics, the ability to gain business insight from the location, component of data including location data from mobile phones, output from sensor or scanning devices, and data from maps. Location analytics would help a utility company view and measure outages and their associated costs and related to customer location to help prioritize marketing, system upgrade and customer service effort. Geographic Information System (GIS) provide tool to help decision maker visualize problem that benefit from mapping. GIS software ties location data about the distribution of people or other resources to point, lines and area on a map. Some GIS have modeling capabilities for changing the data and automatically revising business scenario. Management strategies for developing BI and BA capabilities. There are two different strategies for adopting BI and BA capability for the organization. One-stop integrated solution versus multiple best-of-breed vendor solution. The first solution carries the risk that a single vendor provide your firm total hardware and software solution, making your firm independent on its pricing power. However, it offers the advantage of dealing with a single vendor who can deliver on a global scale. The second solution offers greater flexibility and independence, but with the risk of potential difficulty integrating the software to the hardware platform as well as to other software. Vendors always claim their software is compatible with other software, but the reality is that it can be difficult to integrate software from different vendors.